Alrighty, I got the hood straightened out mostly. A couple holes I gotta weld them out. But this is a budget build. And the hood is nearly $600, so I'm fixing it. I'm gonna try to make it in about 4 hours. Or quicker. Because time is money. I'm gonna pull all the dents out. And then apply some filler. And the bundle continues. Oh, how am I eating this bundle already? Oh. 3 hours later, still not done. Not streaming, I'm recording. Live stream. Yeah, I'm not there yet. That's not there.
No, it's a time lapse.
No, just a video. $600 hood. Save some money, right? Couple days. Bundle is cheaper. Really? Now I got the double behind the scenes. Now I got double the views.
And my phone there.
The idea is not to press too hard. Because the hood is really soft. Really?
Behind the scenes.
Now I got the double behind the scenes. Now I got double the views. Remember, keep changing your paper often. The rougher the paper, the straighter the surface. You don't keep it with that sanding, you know? So keep changing the paper. Make sure the paper is sharp and the surface is gonna be nice and straight. And if you have shoes or something, use this beautiful product. It's like a 3M commercial. Dry coat. It's called Dry Guide Coat. Looks beautiful. You put this on here. It makes your life so much easier for all you beginning body guys. I didn't know this thing 10 years ago when I was starting, actually 15 years ago. So it was a little bit more difficult for us. But now with this thing, it makes the job so much easier. Okay. almost ready for primer. What I'm doing right now, as you can tell, I'm sanding a little bit farther. See, this is called clouds. See how it's still shiny underneath? I need to sand everything out and make sure there's no scratches. See those scratches? All those scratches away from the bundle, like here. This is the stuff that's gonna come out. And it's gonna look like crap. Literally, really bad. Once you put primer, you sand it, you paint it, you know, and a couple weeks later or months, as soon as the primer cures and bundle cures, everything dries out, you're gonna have all these different scratches. You know, and that's how a lot of guys do it. You know, they cover all the mistakes or imperfections with primer. Even though you got the 4-to-1 primer, the 2K primer, what it's called, it's still not gonna fix that. So you gotta prep everything nicely. I like to finish my bundle in like 220, and I do the surroundings areas like right here, all around right here with 320, making sure I have no scratches. You know, like I said, I'm saving this hood. This hood, the dealer is like $630. This is 2020 Chevy Spark. So basically what I'm doing, I straightened the hood out because it was bent and saving myself $630 because the junkyard want almost the same thing as the dealer want. And this is just a little shop rental car we're gonna use it for, so the hood's gonna be just fine. And even if it was for a customer car, I'll give warranty, so if something happens, I'll redo it. But what's gonna happen? If you do the bodywork properly, you're not gonna have any issues, you know? So. Now it's ready for primer. Just gotta put one more piece over the bottom because Pietro knows what's gonna happen. What's gonna happen?
Overspray.
Overspray. There you go. Bad business for us. We don't want any overspray. And I still gotta scuff these parts right here. Everything that's shiny is gotta be scuffed up. No joke. One more piece of paper right there, or a piece of blanket. So when I'm spraying, even at low pressure, we're not gonna get any overspray on those doors. I don't feel like cleaning up. All right, first coat is applied. We'll try to go a little dry so we don't do any runs. We're not gonna put too much material on this car. He test the criminal. What's he talking about? He's talking to himself. Rocking and paint. Relax, don't do it. Mama, you have to leave. You can bring all the stuff. Bye-bye. Little bit of Bugatti. Little bit of Bugatti in my life. Where's the plastic? Come on. Yalla, yalla, yalla. Yalla, yalla. That's it. Alright. I'm gonna drive you there. And just like that, it's painted, ready to go, almost. Put it back together in like an hour when it dries. Yeah, a little bit of dirt spots, but I'll wet it and buff it later. Right now I just need to put it together so I can drive it. Oops, I think I ran into something. What was this hood? Maniac, what do you think? Huh? Huh? Alright, finally have some time to put this little thing together. After a couple days break, I was working on other things. I finally got time to finish this parking. Putting the fender on, gotta put the headlight from bumper back on it and tie everything up and give it a quick wash and put the passenger window back in it. So let's get to work. Before I put the headlight in, it's nice to actually clean all this whatever insurance marked it. We mark all those things here, and I clean it and touch up some of those things, like paint it so it doesn't rust. It looks professional. In the future, if somebody take the headlight off, it doesn't look nice. You want to remove all those markings they put right here. Same thing over there because I already straightened this out. I don't know why they marked this thing. This is not even bent. clips. Couple clips. Couple clips put down. I got one. Hopefully I forgot on the hook. The big one?
Yes.
Oh! Voila. Then we just spin them up here. Spin this over here. Right here. Oh, look at this. On the bottom are screws.
No, on the side.
Oh, look at that. Put car wash on. Good to go. That's when the machine will move this over this thing. Oh yeah, there's screws. Right here.
I don't have the metal pieces there.
I know. Then we gotta get the metal piece, I think. Oh, wait a second. No.
I got 4 clips that they're gonna fit like a glove.
Yeah, but there's a clips already here.
Where?
Oh, and those clips are probably those are the ones? Oh, yeah, they won't fit. They won't fit it. Yeah, and then when you put them in, they'll break the hole in the bottom. I can tell already.
No, it's